Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study the third personality from the best companion of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. That personality is Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Let's start the chapter. As we have studied, actually we are going to divide each and every information into three parts. The first one is early life before Islam, then with the Holy Prophet, then after the death of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So let's start the first phase, early life. Hazrat Usman bin Affan was the important figure of Meccan society before Islam. Basically, he was from Banu Umayyad, and the Banu Umayyad was the second largest, strongest tribe of Makkah. So his father name was Affan. He was a famous tribe. He was from famous tribe, and his father, he was a merchant, and he was a rich person. And Hazrat Usman's character was very much noble, and he had a good nature there in Makkah. So he was a young person in Makkah with good character and good personality. Later on, let's study about his life with the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. When Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, started his preaching within the Makkah, so many people started accept Islam from his house, like Hazrat Khatija, then Hazrat Ali, then Zaid, and Abu Bakr Siddiq, and other people. So Hazrat Usman, actually, he got to know about Islam by Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. So Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq convinced him, and he accepted Islam. After accepting Islam, when people of his tribe came to know about his acceptance of Islam, they have to create some issues for them. They started to persecute him, especially his uncle, who used to tie him with a rope. He used to roll him in a sheet and used to torture him a lot. But he remained steadfast all the time. He never stepped back from Islam, and he actually had a firm faith in his heart. So he faced all the persecutions, all the torture with big heart. Later on, actually, the daughter of Hazrat Ruqayya, she got married with Hazrat Usman. So this is how he came in the family of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He was the son-in-law. The two earlier people, like Hazrat Bakr Siddiq and Hazrat Umar, they were the father-in-law of the Holy Prophet, but he was son-in-law of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, because he got married with Hazrat Ruqayya, the daughter of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Because of persecution, when Muslims started to face a lot of persecution within Makkah, Holy Prophet actually gave permission to his followers that you need to migrate from Makkah to Abyssinia. So with the order of the Holy Prophet, Hazrat Usman also left Makkah with his wife Hazrat Ruqayya, and he was from the first batch. So that was the first husband and wife who left the Abyssinia. They went over there, they started to live over there, happy life. They started to live over there without any kind of issue and persecution, and they were very happy there. So he came back to Arab again. So he took part in all battles except the Battle of Badr. During the Battle of Badr, his wife Hazrat Ruqayya, she was sick. So that is why Holy Prophet actually told him to stay in Medina. So he remained with his wife, and she died during that expedition. When Holy Prophet, he was coming back from Battle of Badr, he came to know about the death of his daughter Hazrat Ruqayya. After that, actually, Holy Prophet gave his second daughter to Hazrat Usman in marriage. Her name was Hazrat Kulsum. So after this, actually, he was given a specific title, Zul Nurain, the possessor of two lights. So he had a double link with the family of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, because twice he became the son-in-law of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. His services to Islam are many. For example, during the expansion of mosque, he was a person who bought place, who bought houses, and entered those places in masjid. Then later on, during the Tabuk expedition, he also donated thousands of silver coins, gold coins, horses, and other things. Then comes the well. He also bought a well from a Jew and donated that well for the welfare of the people of Medina. So because of this, he was given a specific title known as Ghani, the generous one. So that is why, because his services, Holy Prophet also conclude him in the best companion, and there are many references, many sayings of the Holy Prophet, peace upon him, about him, about Hazrat Usman. Now let's study about his life after death of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Okay. He became the part of Majlis Shura during the time of Hazrat Umar and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. He was close associate of them. He used to give them consultation. He used to be over there all the time. He was nominated by Hazrat Umar as a panel of 6 persons that from who a caliph should be elected. So he was elected as a third khalifa of Islam, and he ruled for the 12 years. Many areas was conquered. He ruled for 12 years. That is why many areas were conquered by in his time. And for the first time, naval fleet was started. And the most importantly, the work during his time, during his reign, was compilation of the Holy Quran. So that is why he was given the title of Jami al-Quran, the person who brought people on the one copy of the Holy Quran. So during his second half of his kingship, during the second half of his rulership, the rebels started to arise in different parts of the Arab, like Kufa, Basra, and Egypt, and other parts. So the rebels attacked in his house within the Medina. Then he was martyred by those rebels, and later on he was buried in the Jannatul Baqi. So this was the time of Hazrat Usman. So you need to read from all sources in order to have the proper information. So my dear students, inshallah tomorrow we are going to study the next topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.